Trapper Tony here from Pest Protection Plus. Today we're at a customer's location where they didn't want us to install galvanized steel mesh around this beautiful Armour stone or into the side of their concrete foundation. So we have a skunk issue with potential babies underneath. We've already humanely captured what we believe to be a female skunk inside our spray-proof trap. I'm just gonna go over some of the tools we're gonna utilize to inspect the den or the burrow here. So we have a flashlight, grabbers in case there's any young inside, small shovel here because we're gonna actually dig out this burrow, which is just down here past the Armour stone. We have a box ready to go in case there's any young, and our trusty dusty snake camera to take a quick peek into those tight cracks and crevices here. So stay tuned, we're gonna unearth this burrow here, do a full inspection to make sure there's no young inside. Okay, so first we're gonna prepare our area here to expose the main entrance to the burrow. We're gonna clear some of this debris. You can see this skunk was bringing in twigs and leaves, potentially creating a nice nesting location and surface to potentially have offspring. So we're gonna prep the area here, just make it nice and easy for us to work. So I'm gonna first start by just exposing the burrow itself. So we can utilize a flashlight and the snake camera to inspect the area itself. We want to work slow and cautiously here, just in case there is any young. We don't want to damage or harm them in any way. We'll just take our time here, slowly unearth this burrow. Enough to get a visual. Flashlight or the use of the snake camera itself. Can you hear that, folks? Sounds like we have some skunk kits underneath here. So again, we're going to take our time, move slow, be careful and cautious. We don't want to harm these animals in any way. Okay, so far we have an audio confirmation that there are young skunk kits underneath here. So I'm just going to slowly unearth this burrow again until we can physically see them and extract them by hand. So I don't exactly have a visual yet. I'm going to keep digging here slowly to expose this den, make it easier for me to get confirmation as well. Still no visual confirmation, but we did hear the audio confirmation of a small kit making some noise. We're going to utilize the tool of a snake camera here right into this burrow and see how far we have to go. Not sure if you can see on the screen there, but the mother's brought in a lot of debris, sticks and twigs to make a nice comfy nest. Just have to navigate through all of this. Again, taking our time to be sure not to injure or damage any animals. You can hear them. Looks like we have some more debris to clear out of the way to get a proper visual here. Can you hear that? We're not far. Let's see if you at home can hear what I'm hearing exactly. I know we're not far because I can hear the small whimpers of young skunk kits. Again, some more nesting material. Let's get back in there with the snake camera now that we've exposed the area a little bit more. Okay, we have our first visual of some skunk kits. I know these animals are close because I can hear them. Let's try to get the microphone down in there so you can hear what I'm hearing. guys are super close, as you could hear. So let's get them out, reunited with the mother, and relocated humanely. Okay guys, the moment of truth. There's one. Two. I think I can hear more underneath. Number 3. Number 4. Let's bring you right in here. You can see all the material the mother brought down into that den. Okay. There we go. So we want to double and triple check that we've got all the kits out to make sure we don't leave any behind when we relocate this family all together. I can feel all around the burrow where the mother's tampered down the material, the soil here. A lot more nesting material and debris down there. Create that nice soft bedding for these skunk kits to grow and breed. So I can feel with my hands, I don't feel any more kits underneath, but we're gonna double check here with our snake camera as well. These guys are nice and feisty, probably getting hungry, want to get reunited back with their mother. We've made sure there's no other kits present, and we're gonna take these guys to their new location. Okay, just a small recap here. We've unearthed the burrow here to get a visual inspection completed, as well as by hand. Got the snake camera down in there, by hand in there. We've extracted all the kits. We've doubled and triple checked. Got them loaded up here in a nice, warm, secure bin. Looks like there was 5 skunk kits underneath there. And again, we have the mother in our spray-proof trap already here. We're gonna take these guys away to their new nesting location.